Hi everybody, it's Cindy, Planner Sid 7422 here on YouTube, back for another YouTube loop group collaboration, which is created by Creatively Lisa Marie. And what you do, it's a bunch of us who have gotten together. My Wednesday is the third Wednesday of the month, and a bunch of us get together. We have the same theme and we all do it differently. This theme for this week is cats, and I am going to do it a little bit differently. What I did is I made some pictures of my cat as stickers. So I'm going to be using those, and I'm going to be using this Wrong Cat Planner sticker book. So let's get started. If you don't know how a loop group works, is you're going to watch my video, hopefully all of it, and at the end you click on the link that will be in my description, and you go to the next person's, and if you started at mine, you will end at mine, and you know you've seen all of the other planners that are part of this collaboration. It was started by Creatively Lisa Marie. Yeah, I kind of printed it on the wrong side. And this is my second month doing this, so it's kind of fun. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate that if you would. And hopefully you like everybody's interpretation. So being cats, I have to give my cat center stage for this. His name is Spooky. I got him the day before Halloween, hence his name. This picture right here that I just put down is my favorite picture of him. He was actually cuddling with me on my couch. He really looked like he was watching the movie with me. And it was kind of a scary movie, and all of a sudden he covered his eyes. So I just kind of laughed because his name's Spooky, but at that point, I don't know if it was the light bothering him or what, but he covered his eyes. So yeah, it's my favorite picture of him. And when I had a computer desk, this picture, he would climb up on top, and there was a spot for wires to go down from the top. And it was so funny because one day he just like started looking at me from the top of the big oak desk that had a top on it that I had. And I just thought it was so funny. Like, hello, play with me, stop working. So that's him there. And then of course, if there's a box, he's gonna fit in it, whether he fits in it or not. I'm sure a lot of cats are like that. So I figured I'd put this one down too. Just for my little boo. I call him my little boo because again, I got him the day before Halloween. And I always say that this is our month. So yeah, as you can see, the box is falling apart, but he's gonna sit in it. And that just looks so majestic. He just like, look at me, here I am. So yeah, this is my cat. Obviously this one is when he was a kitten. This is a kitten too. This is like when I first got him, he was so small. Now if you could see, his scratching post is over 3 feet tall because that's the stretch of his body. I can remember my vet telling me, you know, oh, he's so cute. And then when I went and had him neutered, the vet apologized and said this is going to be one big cat. And he just wanted me to know that. And he is a big, tall boy, that's for sure. Okay, so those are Spooky. Now for some boxes. I had gotten this sticker book from my girls at Christmas time, so it's kind of fun that I can use it. I just figured I would label this Playtime because he definitely wanted to play that day. Let's look for some boxes. So this video will be posting on Wednesday the 16th at 9 a.m. And if you find it, that's, I don't know why I'm telling you what time I'm doing it, because it'll be only if you find my video from someone else's or just by chance. That would be great. So what kind of pet do you have? Do you have a cat? If so, what is your cat's name? I've looked through the sticker book a couple of times, but not really. So it's like, I don't know what I really want to use out of it yet. Oh, they have a clean the litter box. Let's put one of those down as a checklist. Cover up that notes part. Put down clean litter box. Oh, it's cute. There's a happy birthday. His birthday was in September. Oh, I won't be using that. Do some washi. It's kind of cute, the fish bones. Cover up where I went over on that. White out. Put another one here. Let's see. These are some cute ones. Put down his food dish. Put down a mouse. Little play toy. He does have a mouse that's like that. No collars. Let's put down a scratching post. Not there. Put it over here. None of these girls look like me. Excuse the stuffy nose. I do have a lot of cat sweaters, so I can put this down. Try and get it off the page. Try to keep the book open and not let it close. Put that up. Nope, well, it's going now. Oh well, I know it's October. You can sort of see October, right? Put down a pen bed. Cats, cuddles, and coffee. Well, I don't drink coffee, so that is going to not to be me. Cat hair don't care. That's what lint brushes are made for, right? these down good. That bed looks so comfy. Oh, this cat is so adorable. Not that I would. There we go. Put him in the bed. Look at his little heart. Look at his face. Guess I can add some other cat stickers, right? Doesn't have to always be. Put a little meow. He was so quiet when he first came. Now he's very talkative. If he wants something, he's gonna let me know. That's for sure. Bossy. Bossy in his old age. Well, I guess she could look a little bit like me. Dark hair. So we can put her there. But yeah, it's cute though, because he knows my car and he's always waiting when I get home from work. Meowing out the window. Let's see, mealtime, groomer. Oh, I can put a weekend. Is the weekend. Put it up here. Oop, covered the 20. Did not mean to do that completely. Oh my goodness, I thought it was going to fit right in between. And we will put it a little sideways. I don't care if it covers up Sunday. That's the weekend. I wish I could say I get more time with him at the weekend, but that's when I work. Also at Michael's, so some days I go from work to work. Put a little to-do here. And let's put one up here. I can make a couple lists of things I need to do. Cat sitter. Nope, don't need a cat sitter. Buy more snack time, buy litter, clean litter box. I'll put that over there, so don't need to use that. Just gonna go quickly through and see if I want to use anything else. I like this. I like cats and maybe 3 people. But every day is catter day. Is every day catter day spooky? He just walked in the room where I am recording. He must have heard his name a couple times and wondered who I'm talking to. And why I keep saying his name. Every day is catter day. And he does not wear a collar. Oh, these are cute. A couple little paw prints here and there. Like he's walking around. Got some more. I like them, so I'm going to use them. Go. Oh, I like this one too. This cat. Just looking at the different cats. This one looks like he's leisurely laying down, enjoying his weekend. There we go. Looking for one more box. I just don't know which one. I'd like to pull this red over here, but this other red looks like it's different red. Or is it just my imagination? Where was it? Just a plain red box. It's a different shade of red. Yeah, it's a different shade of red. I don't want to use it. See anything that has that red plaid on it. Or just me and I'm missing it. That is so weird. There's only one box. It's in that different color. Washi tape's in the same color. Okay, well, I guess we're not. Here, I'll put this over there. You are perfect. That'll kind of tie that with the paw print in, so at least it brings it over. All right, there we go. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into the description and click on the link that's going to take you to the next person's video. I am filming this early, so I do not know who the next person will be, so I'm not going to say because I obviously don't know. It will probably be different than last month. So anyway, please give me a thumbs up if you liked my video. Subscribe if you haven't. And follow the whole loop through to wherever you started. Make sure you end there too. That way you have seen every other creative person on this group. That they do different things too. Some people don't do planning. They do other things. That's all I'm going to say. Not to ruin any surprises in case they do something different. Some people do videos. Some people do blogs. Some people have done cooking. Not that you would do with a cat unless you're cooking for your cat. I remember in the last one, they even did a video of a trip they took to Disney. So it could be anything. And I hope everyone enjoys their week. As you're watching this on Wednesday the 16th, the rest of the week, I hope you have a good week. And I'll see you later.